Hello and welcome. This short tutorial will demonstrate how to perform a simple search in the State Library of Florida's online catalog and how to narrow your search results. To access the State Library catalog, go to library.florida.gov. Let's try a quick search for items related to archaeology. Type in your word or phrase, select State Library of Florida from the drop-down menu, and then click Search. This brings you to a search results page. One of the first things you'll notice is it has two columns. The whiter column on the right displays search results. The column on the left displays more options that we can use to narrow down our search. We can narrow our search to one or multiple specific collection locations, authors, subjects, types of material, media formats, dates, languages, and government publication types. Clicking on a term narrows your search to just that term. You can also use the checkboxes to select multiple limiters, and then click either Include to show only items that match that term, or Exclude to eliminate items that match. Let's narrow our search by subject. Say you're only interested in underwater archaeology. Check the box next to it and click Include to only show items with that subject term. Those terms now appear on the top left under Narrowed By, and the number of results has gone down from more than 1,400 to about 50. That's much easier to handle. Now, let's look at our results. Each result shows the title, author, publication information including city, publisher, and date, media format, and number of copies available. There's also an icon that shows the book's cover or document type, or a generic image if one is not available. On the right side of each result, there are buttons to place a hold on an item if you're logged in with your library card. You can select the checkboxes next to the items you're interested in, and click the arrow by Select an Action to see a drop-down menu with your options. You can place holds on the selected items if you're logged in, add them to a list, email the records to yourself, or print them out. Now, let's take a more detailed look at a record. At the bottom of the first page of results, 12th in the list, is the book Underwater Archaeology, Exploring the World Beneath the Sea. Click either the title or the cover thumbnail to open the record. Here, you can see more information about the item. In the box below, there are columns for shelf number, type of material, number of copies we own, item location, and status. Since the status here is the same as location, that means it's here on the shelf and available to be checked out. If the status says checked out, it means someone else has it, but you can place a hold. You can click the Explore Summary tab next to this one to read a summary of the book. Other items may have a review, table of contents, author bio, or other information that can be viewed in this area. On the right, there's a button to place a hold and a Select an Action drop-down with the same options as on the search results. However, those are now joined by buttons to generate a permalink to the record and to view more detailed cataloging information. Some other titles may feature a Google Books preview button here as well. For more information about placing holds, see the tutorial Books by Mail from the State Library. Now, let's go back. If you don't find what you want in the catalog, state employees can also request materials from the State Employees Portal using our book and article request forms. If the item you want is not owned by the State Library, we will attempt to borrow it from another library for you. Delivery to your office is free, and we will include a prepaid address label if you need to mail it back to us. This concludes this tutorial on basic searching in the State Library catalog. Please do not hesitate to contact the library if you have any questions. Remember, if you work for the state, we work for you.